Do you have some proof that your credit repair actually worked from somebody you found on TikTok or Instagram? There's been a lot of like DMs and oh, they've done this is they're an angel, they're a guru. Use this guy or use this gal, and typically they fall under like the same. I don't know how to classify it, but I see it's out there as far as people saying that it's working and they've got all these followers and whatnot. But I mean, where's the proof? Where's the actual before and after that's not been manipulated by the person doing this? And I'm going to use this as a scenario because I've used a lot of CRMs in credit repair for a long time, whether it's Credit Repair Cloud or just PFox. Who else is out there? But anyways, when I see these screenshots and it'll have all these items deleted, 15 items in a row, what people don't realize is when you're looking at the account, let's say it was, and I've seen this one recently, it was it had like collection account, and then it just had like a credit card account, like a good account, and it was marked deleted. And it was a positive account and it was deleted. I keep going down the list. I see collection account deleted, and then charge off deleted, and then I see auto loan deleted, and it was an auto loan in good standing. So I'm like, that doesn't seem right. Excuse me. So what a lot of people don't realize is that you can actually manually go in the CRM, which is the platform where they do the disputes and all this, and it's warehouses all your information, and you can actually click them manually to show them deleted. It's not like an automation. You can actually go and manually click all these deleted. And so I was like, very suspicious. So I looked at that, and then what was another thing? And then I was looking at they do like a screenshot of the scores, like scores are a 780, and they went up 200 points. And then you look at the dates, and then you look at the accounts that were deleted, and there's like been nothing has changed. But what they've gone in is they've photoshopped or taken out the numbers or changed the numbers basically manually, and then screenshotted that and uploaded it. So be careful of what you're looking at out there, because I've seen it. I'm a bit of a trained eye because I've been in these softwares before, and